Hello, we're going to be speedrunning the Junior Maths Challenge 2022. I'm going to try and do it as quickly as possible, trying to make no mistakes. If I make a mistake, I'm going to deduct 3 minutes or add 3 minutes onto my time at the end, which may be too brutal, I'm not sure. No idea how long it's going to take me. It's meant to take an hour. I imagine it might take me 40 minutes, maybe half an hour, maybe 20 minutes if I'm lucky. Who knows? I doubt 20 minutes, that would be crazy. Okay. So I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna do it quite quickly, not very much explanation, obviously, because I'm gonna try and do it as fast as possible. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, which has the greatest value? Okay, so this is 42. I need a pen, not a good start. 42, 204, 404, 0. Oh my god, that's 440. So it's E. Okay, number 5 is reflected in the mirror line shown. That one becomes a 5, that one's still a 1, that one's a 0, and that one becomes a 2. 5102. 5102. Think of any number, add 5, multiply 2. I'm not doing these. That was 1, 2. I'm on question 3. Need to make sure to remember that. Add 5, multiply by 2. So let's choose the number 1. So add 5, I get to 6. Multiply by 2 to get to 12. Add 10 to get to 22. Divide by 2 to get to 11. Subtract my original, which is 1. Add 3. So it's 10, add 3 is 13. Okay, must be 13. What's the value of 0.6 add 0.4? That's 1, good. Integer values, okay, that's an integer. That's not, because the denominators are 2. This is a multiple of 3, because the digit sum is a multiple of 3. So this is not a multiple of 4 at the top is not a multiple of 5, so there's only 2 of them. Okay, equilaterals, sides of QPU, I need to find this angle. So this is 60. This is 60, this is 90. So this one, because they add up to 360, is 150. This is an isosceles, because those are both equilateral triangles. So 180 divided by 150 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. Okay, 15. I've done 6 as well. Oh, I'm not good at this, keeping track of those of the timer. Kiwi fruits contain roughly 2.5 times as much vitamin C. So as the same weight of oranges. What weight of kiwi fruits contain approximately the same amount of vitamin C as 1 kilogram of oranges? So there's 2.5, the same amount of vitamin C as 1. So I'm basically doing 1 divided by 2.5, which is about 1 kilo, which is about 400, I think. Because 400 grams, 2.5 times that gives you about 1 kilogram. Yeah, okay. Whew. Today's Thursday, what do we do in 100 days' time? Okay, let's look at 100 mod 7, because that's like weeks, which is, well, if 98 is also, I can get rid of those, so it's 2 mod 7. So really, and after 98 days, it will still be a Thursday, and then after 2 more days, it will be a Saturday. How many squares of any size can we see in this diagram? Oh my, boring. Okay, so big squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Got to 19. 20, 21, 22, 23. And I can do the same thing in here. 24, 25, 26, 27. 27. Oh, that feels boring in a way that I worried I messed that up, because I wonder if it's more interesting. Half of a quarter of an eighth of a number. Oh my god. So half of a quarter of an eighth of a number is equal to half plus a quarter plus an eighth. So that's 4/8 plus 2/8 plus an eighth is 7/8. Multiply those all together, I get that's 8 times 1 over 64x equals 7 over 8. So really I'm doing x equals 64 times 7 over 8. Cancel out an 8 there, it's 7 times 8, that's 56. Okay. Oh, I've just done question 10 as well. Oh, I'm not good at keeping track of the scores or the times. 9 of the numbers, 1 through 5, are to put in 2 groups. So the sum of the numbers in each group is a multiple of 4. What's the largest number that can be left out? Okay, let's slow down. 9 of those are to put into 2 groups. So the sum of the numbers in each group is a multiple of 4. What a largest number can be left out? Whoa, what? Okay, if I get rid of 10, to make a multiple of 4, that makes a multiple of 4. That's a multiple of 4. That makes a multiple of 4. That makes a multiple of 4. That's 17. Wait. What is going on here? 9 of the numbers. 1, 2, 4. I put in 2 groups. So the sum of the numbers in each group is a multiple of 4. It's a large number can be left. Oh, it gives us options. Okay, if I get rid of 3, then 2 groups, do they become multiples of 4? How do I even work this out? Okay, if I add 5 numbers together to make a multiple of 4, and oh, so it's 5 of the even ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make a multiple of 4? 22. No. Yeah, if I get rid of one number, I need all the evens. Okay. How many odd numbers do I need to get to a multiple of 4? I need an even number of odd numbers. So I need 4 odd numbers. So, and 5 evens. Yeah, so I need to get rid of an odd number. I think if I get rid of 7, then, so let's just work out, okay, the evens gives me 18, 24, 30. 30 is not a multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30 is not a multiple of 4. 18, 20. Wait. 18, 24, 30. 30 is not a multiple of 4. I actually lose my mind. The sum of the numbers in each group is a multiple of 4. So wait, if I get split into 2 groups. Oh wait, they don't need to. Why am I doing a group of 5, a group of 4? Oh my word, this question's bonkers. I've absolutely lost my head. Okay, I'm going to do the thing and I'm coming back to 11. Sheesh, I don't even know how to skip my thing. Okay, well, it's 11 questions. Anyway, I can come back to that. When I populate it half full, P over 2 equals 5.8. Oh, wait. Plus the pot. So the pot plus... Okay, so A plus the paint over 2 equals 5.8. When it's a quarter full, it weighs 3.1. So A plus P over 4 equals, what was that? 3.1. 3.1. If I subtract the two together, I get P over 4 equals the difference between that, which is 2.7. So P over 2 is... Wait. P over 4 is 2.7, because I've subtracted them. P over 2 minus P over 4 gives me P over 4, which is 2.7. Oh, so I'm looking for the full pot. So P is 2.7 times 4, which is 5.4, times 2, which is 10.8. And, I think A, therefore, equals to 0.4. So it's 0.4 add 10.8, which is 11.2. Whew. Diagonal showed 5 squares whose side lengths are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What percentage of the area of the outer square is shaded? Okay. So this area is 1, and then a 4, and then a 9, and then a 25. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the whole thing has an area of 25, so it's out of 25. The amount that's shaded is 4 minus 1, which is 3, plus 16 minus 9, which is 7. So it's 10 out of 25, which is 40%. 40 over 100. Oh, I'm so bad at counting the thing. I think I've done 12 questions. Yeah, because I missed out question 11. Good children stand evenly spaced around circling in a number consecutively. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 13 is directly opposite 35. How many children are there in the ring? If they're okay, in a circle. Okay, for things to be directly opposite, there has to be an even number. And if 35 is opposite 13, this gap is 22. So times that by 2, I think it makes 44. There's 22 on this side, 22 on this side. I'm just going to do some counting. 13, 14, 15, 16. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Add 20. Is it 44, 46? I'm absolutely losing my mind. I've done the right working out. There's 20. 15 minus 13 is 22. So there's 22 things on each side. I think it's 46. Oh my god, that's gonna come out to bite me. Okay, this is 2 divided by, okay, this is 8 divided by 10 is 8 over 10. 6 divided by 8 over 10 is 60 over 8. So 60 over 8, so it's 60 times 60 over 8. 4 divided by 60 over 8 is 32 over 60. 2 divided by that is 120 over 32, which is 60 over 16, which is 30 over 8, which is 15 over 4. Okay, oh, so bad at that. This diagram shows a seven-sided polygon. Oh, what are you doing here? Diagram shows a seven-sided polygon. It is formed of two equilateral triangles of side length 5 and 8. Two triangles overlap in an equilateral triangle, side length 2. 2 and 2. What's the perimeter of this whole thing? Okay, if that's 2, then isn't that 3? And that 3. If that's 2, well, this plus this is 6, and 8 and 8. So we've got 8 plus 8 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5. That's a 5. So that's 14, 28, 33. The journey continues. 17, play game. Let's write this out. What are you doing here, my friend? Rita and Beatrix play a game which each player starts with 10 counters, and each round in the game one player wins is given 3. So x plus 3p equals to 40, and points per round, and y minus, they both start with 10. So 10 plus 3 times something equals to 40. I'm just going to pause. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so okay, if she won 10 rounds, that means she gained 30, which gets her to 40. But then she'd only have 6, so it has to be more than that. If it's 33, then she gains 33, which gets her to 43, and she lost 3, which means the opponent won 3. No, if she lost 11, nah. Okay, if we go big, 10 plus 14 times 3 is 14 times 3 is 42, so that's 52. Then she's also lost 12 rounds, and 12 times 3 is 36. So she's lost 14, so she's at 10, then she goes to minus 4, but then actually she's won 12 rounds, so she's gained 36. Nah, so it's not this, it's not this, it's not that. I think it might be 12. So one person, Amrita, there's definitely a better way of doing this. Amrita starts with 10, and let's say she wins 12. So 12 times 3. So she ends up on 46. Then she loses. Beatrice, on the other hand, starts with 10 and loses 12 to get to minus 2. But if she wins, if she gets that, she then loses 6, which is 18. Yeah, it's 12. Not a good way of doing it, but whatever. 18. Parallelogram. Oh, this is just GCSE question. Those add to 180. 3x minus 40 plus 2x minus 30 equals 180. 5x minus 70 equals 180. 5x equals to 250, x equals to 50, so this is 70, this is 110, and these add to 180, so 110 plus 4y minus 50 equals 180, so 4y plus 60 equals 180, 4y equals 120, y equals 30. Yeah, if that's 110, that has to be 70. Yeah, I read that. Okay, 19. Sorry, I had 3 times as many apples as pears. Anything after eating 5 apples but no pears, I had twice as many pears as apples. What? Okay, 3 times as many apples as pears. So 3 pears. No, 3 apples. 3 times as many apples as pears. If I had 1 pear, I had 3 apples. By the end of the day, after eating 5 apples, so I had twice as many pears as apples. By the end of the day, after eating 5 apples but no pears, I had twice as many pears. So the ratio, well, this is definitely some ratio shenanigans. 3 apples equals a pear. Okay, what is going on? But in the day, after eating 5 apples but no pears, I had twice as many pears as apples. So it has to be a multiple of 3 and something else. I'm just going to pause. Just my housemates being loud. Okay, I know it feels illegitimate because I just went to tell my housemates to be quiet, but it's fine. We're back. So, oh, I think I need to press another one because I'm actually on my 18th one. Oh my god. Okay, so at the end of the day, after eating 5 apples but no pears, I had twice as many pears. This feels like it's just algebra, but I don't know what algebra to do. Okay, here's P. So altogether, I've got 3 apples for every 1 pear. After eating 5 apples, I had twice as many pears as apples. After eating, then it goes to this when I've lost 5. Okay. There's definitely good ways of doing this. Yeah, I think 3/4 of x minus 5 equals 1. No, that's good. I might just go through it. If I had 4, okay, this is impossible because I've eaten 5. This, if I had 6 to 2, oh, it's just 8. Because if I had 6 to 2, I have 3 times as many apples as pears. Apples to pears. There's definitely a better way of doing this. I want to eat 5, I only have 1 to 2. Okay, I'm just doing that. See you later, actually being able to do maths. Okay. I always tell the truth. They're lying. How do people tell the truth? Okay, let's just look at this one. If Pam is lying, if that's a lie, then this can't be true. And this can't be, these clash. And this definitely can't be right. Oh, so I think only one of these can happen at once. So one person's telling the truth. Two lists of numbers are shown. Change sign should move one number from list S to list T and one number from list T to list S. The sum of the numbers in the new list is equal to the sum of the numbers in the new list. How many ways you could do it? Okay, what's the current sum? I think I've done another question. 8, 16, 27, 40, 54. I'm not sure if this matters, but 25, 30, 40, 48. So if I swap them, so if I lose, there's a difference here of 6. So I need to lose. So for example, if I did, wait, is that right? 25, 35, 48, 27, 38, 46, 54. So I need to lose, I need to minus something from here and gain something from here. So if I lost 14 from here, no, can't do that. Okay, if I lose 14 from here, so if this goes up by 14, I feel like this would have to go up by, so this would go to 40 and this would go to 62. So I'd need to go up by 22, which I can't do. Yeah, I think this definitely doesn't work. You definitely can't use that. Then if I got rid of 13, then I go to 41, and this one would go to 61. That also doesn't work. I think these big numbers from list S don't work at all because it's bigger. So I feel like 11's definitely not going to work. I feel like it feels like none of these are going to work, but I'm sure one will. Okay, if I get rid of 8, then I'm down to 46. 54 minus 8. So I'm at 46. And this one I've gained 8. So I'm at 56. So I need to give a 10 here. Okay, so this works. 8 for 10 works. 8 for 10 works. If I give a 5, so that's 1. If I lose, if we have a 5, then this one goes to 59. No. This one goes to 49, and this one goes to 53. Wait, I'm actually chatting absolute rubbish. None of that is true. none of this is true. Okay, let's try this again. Change function one number from list S to list T and one number from list T to list S. So the sum of the numbers in the new list S is equal to the sum of the numbers. So this was 54 and this was 48. So I need to gain a bit, I need to get a bigger number here. So yeah, I think if I lose 14 from here, so it goes to 40, and I gain 14 here, so it goes to 62. No, maybe I'm right. But then I'd have to lose loads more from here. If I lost oh no, wait. But if I minus 10 here, I would gain the 10 there. I still think 14 doesn't work. Because, like, if I take away 12, I get to 15. If I take away 13, I'd get to 49. And this would be 53. Yeah, that doesn't work. What is the clever thing here? There's something about the difference of 54 and 48, but I can't because I've got 54 minus A, and I've got 48 plus A minus B plus B. So what does that tell me about A and B? And I want these to be the same. So 54. Okay, I think this is right. 54 minus A plus B equals 48 plus A minus B. So I've got 6 equals to, that's on this side, 2A minus 2B. So 3 equals A minus B. So the difference between A and B has to be 3. There we go. And A is the number from list 1, and it has to be bigger. Yeah. So it can be 1310, and it can be 85, and it can be 52. So it's 3 options. Sheesh. Triangle with vertices T, U, V, and Q is removed. T, U, V, and Q. So I lose this length, and this length. Wait, but then I just gained 3 lengths because it's like it's been pressed inwards. So that's the same amount of lengths. How many edges do I have? 4, 4, 4. Still 12. That's a weird question. Price of train ticket increases by 5%, then decreases by 20% of special offer. It was then 4%. Okay, so we've got x times 1.05 times 0.8, that's a decrease of 20. 4 equals x minus 4. Okay, let's do some maths. So x times 105 over 100 times 80 over 100. Can I do anything nice with that? Equals x minus 4. Cancel a 10 and a 10. Cancel that to a 4 and that to a 5. 105 divided by 5 is 21. So it's 21. So it's actually x times 48 over 100 equals x minus 4. So 4, can I write here? No, 4 equals 2. If I zoom in here, 4 equals 2. X minus x, so 52 over 100 x. So x equals to 400 divided by 52. That is, surely that's a terrible way of doing maths. 400 divided by 52 is 200 divided by 26, or 100 divided by 13. No, that is, something's gone terribly wrong there. Increase by 5%, decrease by 20%, was then okay, let's slow down. And then it was £4 less than the original. What was the original? So this, 105 times 8 is 0 and 4. 8 times 0 is 0, 4, 840. So that's really 0.84. So 0.84 x equals x minus 4. So 4 equals to 0.16x. X equals 4 times 0.16, which is now this is also wrong. Maybe it's not. 0.74? Nope. Nope. It increased by 5%, then decreased by 20%. It was then £4 less expensive than its original price. £4 less expensive. £4 cheaper. Yeah. What have I done wrong here? Did I do this wrong? 1.05 times 0.8. 80% of 1.05. 10%. Oh my god. What is happening? 8 times 5 is 40. Put a 0 here, carry the 4. 8 times 0 is 0. add 4 is 4. 8 times 1 is 8. 840. So 80% of 105% is, well, 20% is 21. So take away 21 from that and you get 84. Yeah. So I've got, okay, if I write this all out, I'm pretty sure I'm just going to write the same thing again though. I've got 0.84x equals x minus 4. So I put 4 on that side. 4 equals 2. X minus 0.4x, 0.16x. Oh my god. I did timesing. So x equals 4 divided by 0.16. Oh my word. I was right. 40 over 400 over 16, which is 100 over 4, which is £25. Oh my word. I did that too. That was far too silly. Okay, a few of the 150 flowers. All the flowers are purple, yellow, red, or white. Purple, yellow, red, white. Purple to yellow is 1 to 2. Red to white, oh no, yellow to red is 3 to 4. Red to white is 5 to 6. Smallest number, okay. This we can do. So if it's 1 to 2 and 3 to 4, that means it's if we times this by it's 3 to 6 to 6 to 4. So so we need to go to 20. So if I times it by 20, so 60 to 120, and then 6 to 4 means that's 80, and 5 to 6 means I divide by 5, which is 19. Oh, did I just times it by 20? No. 5 to 6. How do I get from... Isn't that times 19? 6 times 19. So don't I just add 19? 99? Uh-oh, that seems a bit wrong. That seems really wrong. What I did something too quickly, I think. Oh, I'm on... It says I have 3 questions left. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so... I think... You know what? I think it's whiteboard time. What am I doing? I'm getting a whiteboard. Okay. P to yellow to red to white. 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. I just need like the lowest common denominator of all of these, but I think pretty sure it's 60. So that's 60 to 120, and 3 to 4 means I divide by 3 and I times by 4. To 160, and that's 5 to 6, so I divide by 5, which is 32, times 6, 192. Pretty sure that's that. Yeah, because then red, that's to that's 3 to 4, that's 1 to 2. Okay, fine. And then I divide, this adds up to more than 150, which I think is the max. No, if you're the 150, so 30 to 60 to 80 to 96. I think that's still too big. 15 to 30 to 40 to 48. So that's 45, 85 at 48 is 133. Oh, thank God. Thank the Lord. Okay, I got 2 questions left. So, in the number period, each cell above contains the sum. Sum of the numbers in the bottom row is 17. Let's zoom into this guy. In fact, maybe I can do some clever copying and pasting to make my life better, because I want to do some serious algebra. Yeah, so let's grab this and let's put him into my whiteboard. Yeah. Okay, and I think the bottom row said it was 17. So A, B, C, D, E, A plus B, B plus C, C plus D, D plus E, C plus 2D plus E. And here I've got B plus 2C plus D equals 16. I've also got A plus B plus C plus D plus E equals to, I think it said 17. If I go back to it, the sum of the bottom row is 17. Yup. Okay, let's keep this going. So this is B plus 2, B plus 2C plus D. This is going to be A plus 2B plus C. This is going to be A plus 3B plus 3C plus D. This is going to be B plus 3C plus 3D plus E. So at the very top we have A plus, no, yeah, A plus 4B plus 6C plus 4D plus E. Yeah? Equals 61. A plus 4B plus 6C plus 4D plus E equals 61. Okay, I really like these sort of questions because we can do some nice elimination, I think. So yeah, if I do this minus this, 2 minus 1, I get 3b plus 5c plus 3d equals 44. And then that's only in B, C, and D, just like this one. And I'm really only trying to find C. So if I just times this by 3, I get that 3b plus 6c plus 3d equals to 48. And then I subtract them, I get C equals to 4. So C has to be 4. What a great question. Okay, and now I want my last one, 37 minutes. I said 40, and actually I feel like I've tweaked like absolutely crazy. I couldn't do question 11. 9 of the numbers are to be put into, I'm going to spend a minute on this, are to put into 2 groups, so the sum of the numbers in each group is a multiple of 4. What's the largest number that can be left out? Okay, if I put 4 into one group, then I got 11, 20, 28, 38, okay, what? Okay, whiteboard's going to help me out here, because I've got absolutely no idea. So, what is going on here again? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No, all the numbers up to 10. So they're multiples of 4. Okay. The largest number can be left out. Maybe I can just go through. I'm just going to go through. If I get rid of 3, then I can have... Oh wait, the sum of the 2 groups are multiple of 4. So the sum of all the numbers together have to be multiple of 4. So I can just add them up. Oh my god. 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. 55. And I'm basically working out, can I subtract numbers and still end up with a multiple of 4? That was stupid. The first one's 7. If I minus 7, I get to 48, which is a multiple of 4, and that's the answer. Oh my word. That's it. And then I'm done. 38, 52. Woo, 40 minutes. Now let's check the answers. Now I had the answers up because I was trying to check that I had them. Here we go. Let's go through and check. Okay, huge moment here. So 38.52. Let's just get rid of this guy. Okay, let's get a mouse. That will help. Let's make these small. Let's get my answers a bit bigger. Okay, let's see how I did. I wrote E, yes. I wrote A, yes. I wrote D, yes. I wrote D, yes. I wrote C, yes. For 6, I wrote B, nice. For 7, I wrote D. For 8, I wrote E. For 9, what do I even say? I'm pretty sure I said 27, which is B. Yeah, check the tapes, said 27. 10 is D. Okay, we're doing well. 11 is E, obviously, lost my mind. 12 is B. 13 is D. 14 is... You know what? I wrote 44. I knew it was 44. I knew it was 44. Yeah, N is 22. Twice as many. There's twice as many as 40. It's just because I can't count. That is shocking. That's sad. 15 is E, 16 is C. So, yeah, that's right. 17 is C, 18 is E, 19 is B, 20 is B, 21 is C, 22 is E, 23 is D, 24 is A, and 25 is C. Yeah, okay, good, fun. Absolutely fuming about this one because I knew it was 22 and 22. There were 22 on each side, but that included it. So silly. So, a not unrespectable final score of 42 minutes, I'll say, if I had 3 minutes. That is not bad. To get almost everything right, I'm going to say not too hard. And the brutal truth, not sure that interesting. Usually when I do these math challenges, I'm like, oh, that was sick. But actually, I really like the last one because I love those solving simultaneous equation questions. But aside from that, I'm a bit like, meh. Bit meh. Bit meh. But let's go, 41 minutes. Let me know how you did if you tried it in the comments below. I'll link the, actually I'm not sure, yeah, I'll link the details to the paper so you can try it yourself, see if you can beat my time. I reckon you will, because actually it's not a good time. Because I lost my mind. This question took me like, there were like minutes and minutes between questions. Ugh. Still, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more content. Sorry about the pausing, maybe housemates talking and me losing my mind. See you in the next one.